Good morning, students. Jai Swaminarayan. I hope you all are fine. And students, today we are going to learn about the money यानी पैसे. हर एक देश के अपने अपने पैसे होते हैं और हर एक देश के पैसों के नाम भी अलग अलग है. तो today we are going to read the money matters about the thing which belongs to which country. Okay, so the name of the chapter is Word Game, and the thing is about money matters. The bank gave Alina a mixed up bunch of currency notes of different countries. यानी जो अलीना है उसे पैसे दिए और हर एक जो पैसे उसे मिले हैं वो अलग अलग कंट्रीज़ के हैं. Help Alina sort out the notes by matching them with their countries. यानी उसे जो पैसे मिले हैं तो उसे समझ में नहीं आ रहे तो हमें उसे मैच करके अलीना को हेल्प करनी है कि कौन से पैसे कौन सी कंट्री के हैं. ओके, सो हियर so first currency is of what, that is rand, and it belongs to which country? Are you guessing it? The thing of which country that money is? It is of South Africa. Rand is of South Africa. Then second is yuan. Yuan is of which country? yuan is of चाइना. चाइना के पैसों का नाम को क्या कहा जाता है? yuan. ओके, yuan is of चाइना. देन इज रुपया. रुपया इज ऑफ विच कंट्री? रुपया इज ऑफ इंडोनेशिया. कौन सी कंट्री के है रुपया? रुपया इज ऑफ इंडोनेशिया. द नेक्स्ट इज पाउंड स्टर्लिंग. तो पाउंड स्टर्लिंग कौन सी कंट्री का है? इट इज ऑफ यूके. पाउंड स्टर्लिंग इज ऑफ यूके. ओके, नेक्स्ट येन. येन इज ऑफ विच कंट्री? येन इज ऑफ जापान. तो हमें उसे जापान जो लिखा है कंट्री का नाम उसके साथ उसे मैच करना है. हर एक को हमने जो रीड किए हैं ना उसके साथ उन्हें मैच करना है. मनी को उस कंट्री के नेम के साथ मैच करना है. ओके, देन यूरो. यूरो इज ऑफ विच कंट्री? यूरो इज ऑफ फ्रांस. ऑफ विच कंट्री? फ्रांस. यूरो इज ऑफ फ्रांस. देन भट. भट इज ऑफ विच कंट्री? भट इज ऑफ थाईलैंड. विच कंट्री? थाईलैंड. भट इज of which country? You know, it is of Thailand. Then is ruble. Ruble is of which country? Ruble is of Russia. Ruble is of Russia. Okay, so you will also read this. Read, as students you will also match the money with the country. Okay students, so read and match them properly. After word game, now we are going to read about folk dances of India. Okay, in this what we are going to do? We are going to find out the folk dances belongs to which state, okay, of India. So match the names of the following dances with the states they are performed in. Okay, so first is of Garba, and it is performed where? In which state the Garba is performed? Garba is performed in Gujarat. Okay, then second one is Ghumar. Ghumar is performed where? In which state? It is performed in Rajasthan. Ghumar is performed where? Rajasthan. Okay, third one is Bhangra. Bhangra is performed where? Bhangra is performed in which state? It is performed in Punjab. Okay, then next fourth one is Chau. Chau is performed where? Chau is performed in which state? Are you able to guess? It is in Odisha. In which state it is performed? It is performed in Odisha. Okay. A fifth one, Bihu. Where the Bihu is performed? Bihu is performed in Assam. Okay. Bihu is performed in which state? It is performed in Assam. Then is Lavani. Are you able to tell me where the Lavani is performed? Lavani is performed in Maharashtra. Okay, Lavani is performed where, in which state? It is performed in Maharashtra. Okay, next, Karakattam. Karakattam is performed where? Are you able to guess? Where, in which state it is performed? It is performed in Tamil Nadu. Okay, Karakattam is performed in Tamil Nadu. Next, Pulikali. Are you able to tell me where it is performed? Pulikali. Pulikali is performed in which state? Are you able to guess? It is performed in Kerala. Where it is performed, Pulikali? Pulikali is performed in Kerala. Okay. Here now one tidbits is also given here. Yakshagana is a popular form of dance drama in Karnataka. Performers use music, colorful costumes, dances, and dialogues to entertain and inform people. Okay, students, so what you are going to do now, by seeing this picture also, what you are going to do by seeing this now, we are going to read the folk dances and we are going to match them with the correct state also. Okay, student, so bye and take care of yourself.